testing it. Holy shit, they're testing it. We got it, boys! We got it! We got it! Wow! Woohoo! Oh shit, forgot to turn the light, Leo. Shit. Let's fucking go, dude! You guys seeing this right now? You guys seeing this? Wait, hold up. Let me show you. They're testing it. They're freaking testing it. Receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. They tested it! Holy shit, they tested it! This concludes the test of the new weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Let's fucking go, boys! I'm uploading that shit to YouTube.